Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the percentage of a quantity. Okay, so let's say the question asks you to find 25% of 40. Okay, what are the different ways you can do this? Okay, so there are three different methods you can use. The first method, okay, is the most direct of all. 25% is 25 out of 100 of change to times 40. Okay, so of change to times, 25% of 40 means 25 out of 100 times 40. Since 40 is a whole number, you can write it as 40 out of 1. Okay, and then you can do your cancellation. Okay, so if your times table is good, you know that 25 out of 100 is 1 quarter. And 4 divided by 4 is 1, 40 divided by 4 is 10. So you will get the answer 1 times 10 out of 1 times 1. So it's just 10 wholes. Okay, so 25% of 40 is 10, or 1 quarter of 40 is 10. Of means times. This is method 1. Okay, so let's look at the other two methods. The other two methods require you to understand that 40 is what we call the base quantity. In percentage, the base quantity is always 100%. Okay, so we can form the relationship. 100% is 40. How to find 25%? So here there are two methods. One is called the unitary method, where we find 1% first. Okay, so to find 1%, we take 40 divide by 100. So you can simplify this, or you can just leave it as a fraction. To find 25%, what you need to do is times 25. Take the 1% and times 25. Okay, so if you do your working, you will get the same answer, which is 10. So this is the unitary method. Okay, the other method is the proportion method, where you don't have to find 1%. So let's say, for example, you have already written down the relationship, 100% is 40. How to find 25%? You can just go direct from the proportion. 25 out of 100 times 40 is 10. Okay, so this is using the proportion. Okay, or you can see that 100 divided by 4 is 25. So 40 divided by 4 is 10. So these are all proportional. Okay, so now there is another question which is a bit tricky. So instead of saying 25% of 40, the question says 25% of a number is 40. So now, how to find the number? So here, you have to understand that 40 is not 100%. 100% is the base quantity, which is the number. So the number is 100%. 25% of that number is equal to 40. So when you write your relationship, it should be 25% is 40. Okay, so now you are asked to find 100%. So here you have two methods. Okay, so you can find 1% first, or you can just form the proportion. 100 over 25 times 40 is equals to 160. Okay, so this do take note the difference between 25% of 40 and 25% of a number is 40. Identify the base quantity correctly, and the rest is easy. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.